I'm doing a little upgrade on my Creighton. Seeing what Aldo Loyal on YouTube was doing. So to drill this out with a 3/8 drill bit. And on the top A-arm, take that washer out. That way, you know, your cups won't get screwed up or your shafts popping out. So I'm going to see if this will work though. You know, just drilling it out. I don't have the pliers to shock pliers, so I'm just using vice grips right now. Slowly drill it out, you know. Deburr it because it's got that stuff on there. Now let's use my see, I already took that washer off and I put it back on. Washer on the top right here. Yep, try that out. I'm gonna see if it'll work. Yes, try something. You know, won't hurt to try, but man, he rips his stuff, so he knows what he's talking about. Just taking that burr off the drill bit made. Supposedly this is supposed to just, yeah, see, it just fits through there. That'll take that plate off. You know, it'll be a little more tighter in there. See how it goes in all the way? Not resting on the outside now. It's kind of like this top, flush to the arm. Supposedly that should keep it from popping out. You know, people are putting gas or tube in here. This way you don't have to put a tube. You just 3/8 drill bit, drill that out. Take the washer out on the top. This piece, you know, it's up here. Yeah, man, I think that'll be even better. Yeah, it's a little video. Thought I'd just make one. But hopefully my cups won't break and this don't pop out no more. Because that's what was the big issue, was these popping out. Your cup's breaking. Yep, I'll try this out. Easy, free modification. All you do is drill that out, take the washer out. Other side off camera, but simple modification to easy. I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, just subscribe to Aldo Loyal, guy on YouTube. You know, he really sends his rigs out. He jumps them, man. He knows what he's talking about. So, if you want to do a free upgrade to your Creighton, right here, man. All it does is just, these ones are all flushed up to the arms, you know, without that little tiny gap. Yeah, I fixed that here. Just use baking soda for now. It says crack. I'm sure it would hold a little longer, but I'm just gonna run it with this till this break. Yeah, if you don't wanna, I know people are using, you know, tubing right here. This one seems easier to do. Simple. Very simple upgrade or modification. Yep, Aldo Loyal, man, he knows what he's talking about. So I'm gonna take his word for it because he sends his trucks. Man, he's jumping them 100-something feet, you know. But yep, that's my plan. I'm gonna just do the other side off camera. Alrighty. I thought I'd just show that, you know. He mentioned that in one of his videos, so I thought I'd just give it a try. But I take his word for it. Okay, M2C. Right there, hinge pin kit. Finally got him. Slept her on that one, man. Let's get her fixed. Can't wait to run this again. It's been sitting too long on the bench. Okay, let's get on this. Yeah. Eliminate these ones right here. Probably use it on my Kagama. Gotta be the rear and the front. A, B, A block, B block. Hope you guys can see. Yeah. Right on. You know, I gotta find out what goes where. These, I'm sure these washers go with this one. We'll figure it out. Figure it out as we go. But I'm glad to get this back up and running. But yeah, that'll eliminate all that plastic shit back here. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh no, I need to find a screw. How the heck that screw's gonna go back on there? I'll figure it out. Just want to get it done. Let's flip her over. I gotta take this one off and put this on there. Keep these for extra, never know, can break. They can break. Oh no, what's this little thing right there? Oh yeah, it is. Good. Right on. I don't know if these are, I'm supposed to use my same ones. But I hope you guys are seeing. Look. Let's get these all out. You know, there's no. But look. I'm assuming it's gotta be one of these ones. Maybe they're shorter because, you know, it's got this plastic one here. That's what I'm guessing. I'm hoping because I don't want to. Gotta be like that. Man, this, I don't know where these ones go. Yep. Assuming these ones go like this. One in the back. Look there. They're the same. Yeah. One in the back, one in the front. That's what I'm guessing. These ones go here. Let me move it back a little bit. I'll have to, because this is the back ones. I'm assuming, but look how far they go in the back. Too little to have, you know. But let's get the front on for now, because you know that's the main one. I'm guessing these two little ones go here. Got them. Like that. You know? You know what? I gotta look online and try to figure that out because I don't want to just be putting stuff any old way. Okay, well, I'm gonna do a little more research before I do anything else. Alright. See how long that is? And I think I do. I don't need this plastic piece because it's the same length. So, figure it out. Guess it's these ones. It's gotta be. But that's pretty dang long, man. I'm betting these ones on the back. About the same size, but these ones, there's two of these. But that seems so short, you know. But, yep, I wish they had a, seeing they're the smaller ones too. I don't even know where those go. Wish they had directions. just don't want to put shit wrong, you know. Oh well, let's try, see what happens. Try out these long ones, see how far it goes. Reach. I'll take them out and put thread locker later. But I'm just seeing, trying to figure it out, you know. This back one goes on like that, but the pins go on. Now, does it? That's my question. Turn on. See these ones, I don't get where. Do I have to use my old one or what? I'm just gonna put them on there. Just put them on. See, look, they stop right there. So these are not meant to be on there. So do I use these ones or what? Bad thing about this stuff, I've never seen anyone, well, they're probably like the older versions, but I never really looked when I was trying to check the V2 one, you know. So, doesn't hit nothing, so I'm assuming that's the way it goes. Here. Yeah, I tore my gasket. I'll just have to use some grease around it because I guess from just laying around it was fine when I took it off. After I was playing around with it, I must have tore it. I'm guessing that's the way it goes. But see, there, one thing though is where does these two go though? I thought mounted on this one. See? That's where it broke. It mounts on like this, and how do I get these ones on? Oh well. Let's keep going, figure it out as we go, I guess. Now these ones might be a little too long. We'll see. No, they're good. Those are good. You know, I don't even know what these ones are for, too. Shit, man. So, leave something in the comments if you say, hey, you're doing it wrong. But, yeah. Well, that's one. See, I don't get where all these other ones go. These are shorter. I know these three mount here. And up here these two. But back here, see, now it's skinnier. Just don't need these probably. These ones. I'll keep them for something. And these ones, I don't even know what these are for. I think it's for a different model, maybe. That's what I'm guessing. That lady I talked to said that she said this should just fit right on. Okay, well, that's that. So I'm gonna take these out, put some Loctite on them. I'll have to take this one off again and put Loctite on the other ones. I think that's it, really. Yeah, I buggered up this one when I was drilling that out. That's alright. But yeah, I had to try that so I won't have to worry about these popping out later on, you know. Okay, I think we're ready to. I'll just keep these over here for now. I don't know what they're for, but I'm assuming it was for the front up here. Because in the other models I see that they have a bolt and they have these little nuts on them. But this one just bolts right up. So. Okay, let's get this on there. Right on. Some little grease. Because that's torn. You know. That'll help it stay. Just a little light grease to help it anyway. I'll get another one later and change it. But I'm not gonna put no they call it Loctite. I'll put later. Okay. Awesome. These two are right here. Get in there. Get in there. Right on. Right on. guys can all see that. Got that on, got that on, got this all on. These two screws, I guess you don't need them anymore. Right here. I don't see nothing that'll... Maybe that's what these ones are for, the nut. That's all I'm guessing, so. Put these on. Damn it. You guys didn't see I screwed these ones on right there. This back piece, so it must be these ones here, gotta be. That way and screw on the inside. That's what I'm guessing. 'Cause I don't know where those go for sure. Okay, well, I gotta take it all off and put this on there. I forgot all about it. I'll pause and throw it on there. Okay, got the drive shaft back in there. All excited, I guess. Totally forgot all about it, but putting these pins back in there. Make sure I have it like this one, so I can just pop it in there, you know. Oh, shove it, move it that way. There we go. Okay. There, I'm gonna have to, I'll do that later. Figure out a better system for this. So we got all that. I kinda think that's where those bolts go, but it's threaded already. I don't really think you need them. It's those shorter ones that go up here. This corner. These ones. These three longer ones. I could change them later. I'll leave the middle one maybe and just change these older ones, you know, to these smaller ones. But yep, I'll do that in a little bit, but we gotta put these ones on, and that's what these ones here, I'm assuming, gotta be, yep. So that go there, that go there, and I'll change these two out. Leave that longer one in there. Oh. Put these longer ones. Yep, that's it right there. Extra ones, you know. that looks better. Not sticking out as far up, you know. I seen this one crack right there. But it's fine, it'll be alright. Okay. These ones. It's gonna be fun, look like. Just the way they are. Oh, yep. It's gonna be a pain to get to. It's gonna be a pain. I'll pause and I'll try to get them in there. But yeah, they go in right here. Just right there. You gotta get this one on the other side. I need to use pliers and stuff. Okay, got it on there. That was a pain to get these on there. Not really, but geez, when I overdid it on this one, it's gonna pop out. I'll get a washer later. For now, it's good enough. Good enough to run it. Man. Just putting this steering back on. Ooh, almost there. Almost there to rip. Yeah, I was pretty much bitching on this truck. It was all my fault for breaking it, but we got an upgrade out of it though. You know? Got an M2C upgrade. I'll put Loctite later on. I'll check them later anyway. I don't like really putting Loctite, but she done. Oh yeah. These other ones, I think they were for like the older models, how they'd be up here and they screw them down there maybe. I don't know, all these other smaller ones. It's like, where do they go? So I just did it how it all came off. Which is good now. It's good now, man. M2C, baby. Need to get the back ones later on. But yeah, throw the tires on. Yeah, look at that. You can see in there. So M2C. Hopefully that'll help it out. Throw the tires on. Yep, she's done. Put all these in the bag. Keep them for spares. Yeah, I don't know where all these little ones go. These tiny ones. Maybe it's for an older model. She done. She's good enough. Throw the tires on. Just gonna zip tie this stuff down. Hey, I need to check, make sure this all fit good. After I did all this, I got little some black paint, you know, because it's a little bit tacky. It'll be, I just put a coat over it. That way it's not tacky and collect all the dust and crap. But let's see how she fits. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yep, she's ready, man. Look at that shit. Oh, I see where that, yeah, it's in the front. Right on. It's done. Ooh, ready to rip. My buddy got his parts, so probably when he's got his fixed up, we're gonna go. It's gotta redeem itself. It will. It was just driver error that fucked that up. But M2C part in there, you know. Just gotta get the back ones later. Well, that's it on this video. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna do anything more to it. It's ready to rip, man. Need to clean up some of that crap. I see now, but it's good. Good to go. Charge the battery up. These are the batteries I'm running now. These ones, SMC 5500s, 100C. They seem okay. Hard pack, you know, they're pretty good. Yeah, man, I'm excited now. Ooh, yeah. Okay, that's it for now. Probably make a video, skate park bash or something. Alrighty, later.